Setting up membership plans and retail products lets you structure how members join and pay, and adds extra revenue streams to your business. In this video, we'll create a new membership plan and add a retail product to your catalog. So we'll start by going to the revenue section and go to plans. Here we have all of our plans that we've already created. We're going to create a new plan. So we're going to call this, for example, the gym class 8-pack. We can add some description here. We can set it up as public, private, or members only. Private is only admins can see it for now. Public is it's available for purchase in the mobile app and the member portal. And member only, it's only for members. It's available only for members. And is it active or not? So in this case, we're going to make it public and we're going to make it active. We can define here what's the duration for this plan. So it could be one time for drop-ins, it could be weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually, or we can go custom. If we go custom, we can say this is for days and it is for 28 days. There is no sign-up fee. The price would be 70 euro. So that is for 28 days, 70 euro, and we're going to say it's for 8 sessions, as the name suggests. Here we can define different classes, area types, or instructors for which this is valid. So mobility classes, morning classes, etc. We're going to say that this applies to standard classes. Household allowance. Here you can define whether the plan is being shared by the household, so the number of visits can be shared by other people in the household. And here we have different settings for the presentation of this plan. So we can create anything that we need here. We can set any duration, we can set up one-off visits, we can set up monthly memberships, we can define auto-renewal if there's a payment method on file, do we require payment upfront, and so on. So we're going to create our plan, and it's added to the list of all the plans that we have available for sale. Next, let's go to products. To be able to create retail products, you need to first go to settings and enable point of sale. So point of sale here is enabled and it shows this menu here. This allows us to sell products at the front desk, which we're going to take a look at in another video. And for now, we're going to create a new product. So it also enables products here. We can define different categories of retail products. So here I have created supplements and energy, training accessories. So you can create any category you want. And now let's create a new product. So we're going to create a new product, which is called Molten Pre-Workout. It's going to cost 6 euro. It will be in the supplements and energy category. Here we can select the revenue account. This also applies to memberships and plans. This helps us segment revenue in the reporting section. So here we're going to mark this as retail revenue, and memberships should be marked as membership revenue so that they're clearly segmented in the reporting. Retail products, description. So I can add a description here. I have one available. And I can upload an image. So I'm going to use the image I already uploaded here. This is my library of images. So this is for this product. I'm going to select it and I'm going to add it here. Now I've added my product, and when I go to point of sale, it will be available under products. So here we can look at products, passes, memberships, and so on. So we'll take a closer look at this in a separate video.